Hey guys, it's John with Get Out Gear, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble your TrekChair. What we have here is the TrekChair in the included stuff sack. We've got one outside the stuff sack that we're going to assemble, and these are the Get Out Gear ultra strong carbon fiber trekking poles that come with the system. So our first step is going to be to assemble the frame. It's really easy. You may have seen this before with chairs of similar construction, but the legs and the front seat stays will just pop into place and make sure that they're fully in. Oop. And that's that. Step two is we're going to assemble the trekking pole handles into the seat back pockets. What I like to do is put the grip so that it's facing out. They slide in nice and easy. Once those are inserted, we're going to insert the trekking pole tips into the rear hub. Next, we'll attach the front of the seat to the front stays. These go in nice and easy because being an adjustable chair, you don't have to muscle and stretch them over. We're going to put tension on it now by adjusting our comfort angle to the desired level. There's going to be the most relaxed mode when you're getting off the trail and just want a place to sit. Two, more upright when you're preparing food, when you're filtering water, or making your morning coffee. A few things I want to point out is when you insert the tips into the hub, make sure they're fully inserted all the way and none of the thread is visible on the plastic tip. This one is. This one you can still see the thread, so it's not fully in. Oops, let me bring it down. So make sure it's fully in. Second is you're going to adjust it from the upper flip lock. The flip locks are heavy duty, all metal construction, very solid and easy to use. Thirdly, the minimum seat height is going to be about 1 inch above the Get Out Gear carbon insignia for the lowest setting. Then you can adjust it upward as high as it can go. And there you have it. A full size, full width backpacking chair that's a high back, weighing only 1.4 pounds. It's one of the lightest chairs available on the market, and I'd say one of the most comfortable that you can actually fall asleep in. So thank you very much for your support. We really appreciate it. We can't wait to hear what you're going to be doing with your TrekChair. If you like it, please leave a review. Don't hesitate to reach out at support@shopgogear.com with any questions or comments. We'd love to hear from you. So get out there. We hope to see you on the trail soon.